Hi guys, this is Ashok Reddy. Today we will discuss access modifier. Last class we discussed understanding Java main method and also interview questions also we discussed. Correct? Na? Today we will discuss access modifier. Access modifier, there are four types of access modifiers in Java. There are four types of access modifiers in Java. Okay. What is the public, private, protected, and default? If you are not mentioned, if you are not defined public, private, protected, okay, then no keyword required. Okay, this is the like that we can assume that is default. Okay, if you are not define any uh, access modifier, I can that is default modifier by default. Okay, I will tell you later. What is public? What is the public? Public is these public is accessible from all the places of Java application. Public is accessible from all the places of Java application. For example, int a for you can declare variable as a public. You can declare variable as a public. Suppose you can define uh, int public int a equal to 10 equal 10. This variable you can access anywhere in your project. You can access anywhere in your project. Okay. Private, what is the private? Private, you can declare variable as a private, accessible only within the same class, accessible only within the same class. Okay. Then you can declare variable as a protected, accessible within the same package, within the same package by subclass in the other package. Okay. We can access in the same package and also subclasses in the other package also. Okay. if you are not if you not define any keyword, if you not define any keyword, public, private, protect, by default it is a default keyword. No need, no, not required any keyword. Okay, not required to mention any keyword. Okay, so this accessible only within the same package. This default access specifier is accessible only within the same package. This private is a same class. It is accessible only same classes. Okay, this default is sorry, private is same class, it is able to access, outside class not able to access. Okay, this is only within the same package accessible, outside package not allowed. This one allowed same package as well as outside package, that too subclass only, not superclass. Okay, that too superclass only able to access. these four keyword these four keyword is the access modifier. The access modifier restrict the scope of classes, constructor, variable, and method. Okay. Then if you declare variable as a class, there is no meaning. Okay, because okay, there is no meaning. So don't mention. Remember, don't not required class as a private. What is use of private? If it is the protect the data. If you declare variable as a private, outside class is not allowed, right? Outside class is not allowed. You have to protect the data. Here, you have to protect the data. Outside class is not allowed, but we can access by using setter getter method, but we can discuss later. This is the encapsulation concept. Okay, we will discuss later. Encapsulation means hiding the data from the user. Hiding the data from the user. Okay, we can access only setter getter method only. That is encapsulation. We will discuss later in our concept. Okay, we'll discuss deep dive in that time. Okay, deep dive. Now we can discuss these things. Okay. I think so. You guys can understood, right? But I have put one real time scenario. Um, But suppose this is the CBIT college. This is the CBIT college. In CBIT college, only allowed whoever having CBIT identity card. Those people's only allowed, right? Those people's only allowed. Outsiders are not allowed. Correct, na? Then once enter into the college, then whoever having CSC students only access CSC class, right? Others, but CS student not able to access principal and HOD. So that is the reason I have to define private. I have to declare student as a private. Okay, student as a private. Okay, then here is the principal. Okay, uh, principal can access anywhere, right? Principal can access HOD room and staff room and and CSC classroom also. Correct, na? So that is the reason principal as a public. Principal can declare as a public. Okay, then hmm, this is the how to CSC faculty. CSC faculty, just you guys assume, okay, almost have to 95% matching. Some of you guys can assume, okay. Here, CSC faculty protected. What is the protected? Protected. What is the user protected, right? Accessible within the same package. Accessible within the same package, but subclasses in other package only, but superclass not allowed. Correct, na? You guys can assume here, CSC faculty, CSC faculty can access CSC faculty can access uh, classroom, CSC classroom. Correct, na? And also access CSC staff room, but HOD room cannot access. Correct, na? HOD room cannot access, but access when HOD permission. Okay, that is different. Okay, don't think like that. But CSC faculty can access staff room as well as CSC classroom. But you can assume CSC HOD room is a super class. This is the CSC staff room is a subclass. Okay, but this is the CSC faculty. This CSC faculty can access CSC classroom and also CSC staff room, but we cannot access CSC HOD room. Okay, so that is the reason I declare protected. Okay, I have to declare protected. Okay, then this is the you guys. This is the package one. This is the package two. Okay, outside it will access same package and also it will access other packages, but only subclass only access. That is the protected. Correct, na? What is the definition, right? Accessible within the same package, and subclass in the other package. Correct, na? But superclass not allowed. That is the protected. Now default. If you are not, what is the default? Accessible only within the same package. Accessible within the same package. Outside package not allowed. Correct, na? Outside package not allowed. If you are not declare any keyword, then by default is a access specifier. Okay, then here just you guys assume CSHOD room, CSHOD only access. Correct, na? CSHOD can access. Correct, na? So as well as CSHOD can access CSC staff room and also CSHOD room. So within the package, it will access CSHOD can access CS staff room and also CSHOD room. So that is the reason I given default. Okay, but you guys you guys, CSHOD room can access CS class, but that is different. Don't then based on you can okay, like that you can assume whatever I'm saying. Okay, now I think so you guys can understood, right? So now we'll develop the one program. Okay, I'm to develop one program. For example, This is the package is nothing but you guys can don't think different. That is, I will show you. That is the one folder. You can assume here one room. This is CSC block. This is one room. Okay, this is the one room. This is package one. This is the one room. This is package two. Correct na? This is the one we are like one on folder. I will tell you. For example, mm, suppose com dot, com dot, com dot, mm, com dot, it, it dot, csc, it dot, csc. I guess I don't want this. I want to pack. Okay, this is the package. This is the package. In this package, we have so many classes there. Suppose student.java, student.java. One more thing, class, okay, employee.java, emp employee.java. Okay, here like that, so many classes there. Inside package, so many classes is there, right? Mm, okay, inside package, so many classes there. Okay, in this, suppose you can declare class as a public. You can access anywhere in your project. This is the one project. Suppose I will show you here. For example, this is the one. This is the one project. In this project, so many packages there. Okay, this is com.id.print, com.id.test. So many packages. This is the packages. This is the classes. Okay, if you declare class as a public, you can access anywhere in your anywhere in your project, right? Anywhere in your project, you can access. If you declare as a private, you can declare as a protect. You can access same package. You can access same package and also outside of the package, but it is subclass only access. Correct na? So I will show you one more thing. How to declare, go to property. Correct na? src com.id. These are the packages. Inside src com.id is these are the classes in there. Okay, this is the folders. One is the one by one. This is the folders. Okay, I will show you that practically. Okay, now I think so you guys can understood, right? Now inside package, class A is there. Okay, class A, you can create one private int A, B, C, D. Correct na? You can declare variable as a private. You can access within the class. Okay, then I will develop one program. Okay, uh, and okay, this is the already private. This is this one, and I have to create one object. This is the class here. Class A, I think already there. You guys can assume class A1. Okay, you guys can assume A1. And what is that? You can create the object A1, A1, A equal to new A1. Then system dot how to access variable system dot out dot println. Okay. How to access reference variable dot, this is the non-static variable, okay? These are the non-static variable. If you can declare variable as a static, you can declare variable as a static, that is a static variable, correct na? Already I told, if you declare method as a static, that is static method. You can if you not if you cannot declare method as you cannot declare static, that is non-static method. Okay, already I discussed that thing. Okay, if you are not static variable, by using object, by using reference variable only, you can access it. Directly you cannot access. Okay, a dot a. Then what is that? The value of a. The a value is, okay, you guys can copy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. A dot A, this is A dot B, to C dot C, and reference variable dot D. Correct na? This is the B, where B value, this is C value, this is the D value. Okay. Control S. Okay. A1 dot Java. A1 dot Java. How to save here. Okay. Can copy this. Save. Okay. But you can declare package. Okay. All right. Told pack and declare package. What is this? Declare package P1. Okay. I can declare package P1. Then copy, go to your folder, paste it. Okay. Inside variable program. Okay. CMD command prompt, tool open command prompt, then Java C. What is that? You can -d dot, like you can execute package like that. This is the current package. -d dot, what is the class name? A1 dot Java. Okay, like that you can execute. Dot mean current package. Okay. Java C file name dot Java. Enter. Yeah, successfully executed. Then you can execute Java, actual Java class name. That is Java class name is A1. But we can, what is that package name? Package name is P1 dot. Like that you can run. Enter. Correct na? 10, 20, 30, 40. All variable you can access. Because within the package, any variable within the class, you can access any variable. Okay. And then next, guys, copy all. Okay, 1 minute. New Java. What is this here? Same package. One more class is there. Same package. One more class is there. Okay. Here, whenever running package, that time it will generated P1 folder. Okay. In this P1 folder, you can generate A1 class. Okay. It will generate automatically whenever you are running. Okay. Then you can write what is this same package. We have one more class is there. Okay. One more class, you can create create the object a dot a equal new a. After that, you can access all variable or not. You can check. Okay. Well, all variable you can access or not, but private variable you cannot access, right? Because what is the private within the class? Within the class only it will access within the same class. Outside class not allowed. It will allow, it will not allow outside class. Within the class it will allow. Correct? No? That is the private. Then we will see practically. What is this? B1. Can say B1. Okay. Can say control S. Okay, B1. No need to write Java because already extension is .java. Okay, save it. Now copy all this and paste it. Something wrong here. One more time. File. 1 minute. Save it. Save for. Okay. I will create one more variable. I'm creating. I'm creating object. Okay. After that, I'm going to access outside class. I'm going to access, right? But we'll see. And control S. Go to here. How to run? You can declare package package P1 package P1 control S can run B1. So now file not found. Okay, but because here showing I thought already this is the not one. Save yes. This is not one. One B1.java. Save it. Okay. Control this. Then go to here. Can compile. Yes. What is that? As a private variable access in A1 only. Okay. Control yes. Okay, what is the error? This is we cannot access. Okay. Comment. Yeah. Private access in A1 only. Okay. You can comment. Control this. Compile now again. Yes, compilation is success. Now we can run B1. Same package is B1.B1, right? Then enter B1.B1. This is the just check here B1, right? We how to run class name, right? How to run Java class file, Java class file like that dot class file. Okay, how to access the dot class P1 dot B1, correct na? This is the package name P1 dot B1, correct na? Same thing I'm done. Java P1 dot B1. Okay, enter. Yes, you can access BCD. Okay, you guys clear right now? What is this package? Inside package, have to two classes is there. In these two classes, you can access all variable, all four types of access modifier you can access within the class. But outside class, you cannot access. You cannot access private variable. Correct now? I showed practically. I will show right. This is the main method. Okay. Now another package. You can declare another package. We have class C extend class A. This is the inheritance concept. I think so. Initially, beginners, I think so beginners, beginner learner, not understood what is the concept of inheritance, but you guys can assume that is not a big deal. Okay, this is the class A import P1.A. Whenever you have to p1 dot import. What is that? You have to import a class. Okay, you can assume a class is there in here. Okay, inside package is there. Okay, like that. Class C, extend class A. Class A is a superclass. Class B, okay, so class A is a superclass. Class C is a subclass. Correct, na? Okay, class C is subclass. Now, what I'm saying, I created variable, I created object. What is the object? A. I created object A. I'm trying to access all variable. Now tell me outside package, I created object. Can we access or not? Outside package, we can access all variable or not? No, we cannot access, we cannot access all variable. Okay, we can access only public variable only we can access because outside package, but only in the subclass by using the same subclass object. Okay, it will access. This is the private. Private we cannot access cannot access outside class and outside class means outside package also cannot possible, right? But this is the default. Default accessor mean we can access within the package. Within the package we can access, right? So that is the reason we cannot access default also. But protect only within package within the same package allowed, within the same package allowed, and also outside package allowed, where subclass only. What is the subclass? C is a subclass. So it will allow only subclass. What is that? Protect. Now we can see practically. Now create new Java. Okay. What is that? C1. C1 extend C1 extend plus C1 extend plus A, right? Plus A1. No, what I am doing here. This is the package P2. Okay, I am declaring package P2. Package P2. But you can import, right? Import P1.a. What is that P1.a? Is there in P1.a. Import P1.a. Right? Yeah. Then Control S. What is this? C1 dot Java. Then paste it. Go here, copy, go to c1.java, paste it. I'm creating object. I'm trying to access all variable. So can access or not all variable? No, cannot access, right? How to compile now? How to compile Java C -d dot space C1 dot Java. This is the compilation. Yeah, you are getting error. What is that variable? C1 extends A1. Illegal start of type. Illegal start of type. Okay. Can see. Yeah. Wait, sorry, guys. What is extend? Control S. p1 dot. Yes. Now, what is that? Cannot find symbol. Import p1 dot a and c1 dot a class a package is a p1. So cannot find symbol. Okay. And also a1. Then you can see how to comment. Improve this. We'll try now. What is that error? Package, right? Package P2. Package P2 and import imp what import P2 correct. Import P1 dot A1 correct. This is A1, right? That is the reason. That is the error. Then now compile now. No. A1 is not public in P1. A1 is not public in P1. You can declare how it will now you guys can understood, right? This is the reason you cannot able to it is showing clearly A1 is not public in P1, cannot be accessed from outside package. Correct na? What is that? Public outside package means by default it will treated as a default access package. Okay, that is the reason outside package you cannot allow. Inside package allow A and B classes allowed whenever you compiling. But outside package C1 is not allowed. But you can declare public. You can declare as a public. Now allowed. Correct na? Then C. What is that? Compile now. Again you are getting error. What is that? A1 is not public. Again same showing, right? Because of dot class file you can run a1 dot you are after changing you are not running, right? You are not compiled, right? So that is the reason we are getting error. Can we compile now? A1 dot java. Now after changing a1 dot java you are not compiled, right? When a dot class file not reflected public, right? The still default is there, oh, correct na? So whenever you are compile then you will get the dot class file, correct na? Then compile. Yes, can you try to run e1 dot a1? Yes. Now can we do? Yes, we can compile. Now here, what is that? What is that package P2 for C P2, right? Package is the P2. P2 dot C1. How to run? P2 dot C1. Can we run now? Yes, you can able to access. Correct na? Only subclass you can access public only. Other three variable you cannot access. Correct na? Now can we C1 C equal to new C1. Create the object and what is that? Then you can write system dot out dot println. And just you can give space, right? Because I will tell you a dot value is a dot b dot c, but this one you cannot access, right? Private variable you cannot access outside package, and default also you cannot access outside package. And can you try now? Yeah, compile. What is a dot c? A dot c protected accessing a1 only. C, can we try now? This one is the C, right? This is the C. You guys, whenever copy carefully, can change, okay? Otherwise, like that you can. What is that? C. Subclass you can access, right? Protected. But this is the public. You can access both. Now, can you try? Uh, yes, compilation is successful. Can we run now? Can we run now? P2 dot C1. Yes. You guys can access right now. C, D, both are accessible, correct? Na? I think you guys can understood, right? Yeah. But you guys can practice. I have to give homework. We can create, this is the package P2, and this is import P1.a, and you guys can import, and this is, I'm not, this is not inheritance concept. You guys can create the class D, and can you try, can access or not? I can take the homework. I'm giving homework, okay? I think so you guys can understood. Thank you, guys. Nothing here. Class A, this is outside the package, P1, P2 package, but you guys can see all variable you can access or not. Okay, here definitely you cannot access both. Okay, only public only access, because this is not subclass concept, right? Here there is no subclass, right? There is no inheritance concept. Okay, so that is the reason there is no subclass. That is the reason you cannot access protected. So you guys can observe that one. Okay, you guys can practice that one. It is not subclass, only public members only access. Correct? Na? Yeah, public members only access. Okay, if you declare, so okay, declare as a, if you are in extend class A, here public is, subclass is there, right? So subclass you can access protected variable, correct? Na? So, and public also you can access. Only protected and public members are accessible. Here, outside, what is the reason we cannot access protected? Outside the package. This is the outside the package, but only in subclass by using the subclass object, correct? Na? Subclass object, by using subclass object we can access, right? Then you guys can understood, right? Yeah, thank you guys. Please subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any doubt, you can comment, because I am efforting more. Please, you guys can like, then only I can understood you guys can following. Some people are following my videos, then I am understood. Okay, I understood you guys following. Yeah, somebody following my videos. Then I am also. Please like every day. Okay, whoever watching my videos, please like every day. If not, I'm not. How my videos is wrong, or you are not like, then you can dislike also, no problem. Everything I'm accepting, but you can like, dislike, anything you can accept. Okay, you can do anything, because somebody following my videos can assume. Okay, please subscribe and like. Okay, thank you guys.